So today I want to walk through how to download apps on your Mac. It does not matter what type of Mac you have. I'm demoing this on a Mac Studio, but it would work on a MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, or an iMac, whatever you have. Process is very easy, guys. And if this helps you, like the video, subscribe to the channel. It's a really easy way to support the work we're doing here. With that, let's get started. So what we need to do is open up the App Store. If you come down to this bottom ribbon, you will see an App Store icon. Just click that. If you don't see that icon, hit Command and Spacebar. And that's going to open up your Spotlight search. And then from here, just do a quick search for App Store. And then from here, you can also open the same thing. Now, inside of the App Store, they're going to have all of the desktop apps available. Now, they won't all be in here, but for the ones that are, you can either do a quick search to find it, or just scroll down this Discover page and you'll find a bunch. And to install, just select the Get, hit the install, put in your password. It should start downloading. Once it's downloaded, there it is. Okay. Now that it's open, you're probably wondering where it went. Well, we need to go down to this Launchpad. We'll open this up and you'll see that it is listed here. Now, if we want to, we can actually drag and drop this into our bottom ribbon so that it lives there. You can also do the same thing, Command Spacebar, and to do a quick search, and then you'll find that app in here as well. Now, if your app is not included here, like Spotify, for example, there's no Spotify. They actually require you to go to their website and download the Spotify app. So to do that, what you're going to do is just open up Google or a browser, and we're going to search for Spotify Mac download. Okay. We'll select this, and here it is. Now we will just download Spotify here. We'll click download, and it downloads our installer. We would open this up, open that up, open. And now we're just going to follow the prompts that it outlines for us to download Spotify. And now that it's downloaded, for Spotify at least, I would log in. You can see that it's already in the bar because it's open. But if I were to close this, oh, it's still there too. That's funny. I don't know why it went there automatically. But still, if it's not here, the app that you downloaded, again, just open your Launchpad and it should be there. And then you can just drag and drop it wherever you want it to go. I hope this helps you. If it does, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. We really, really appreciate it. And with that, have a great day. Bye-bye.